Namaskar, I'm Shamalisina. Welcome to Foodie. Today I'm making my Homestyle Matar Paneer and roti for dinner. So I'm going to use the basic ingredients for Indian cooking. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, in your preheated cooking pot, heat up oil over medium heat. My oil is ready, and to this hot oil, I'm going to add 2 small dried bay leaves. Giving a quick stir, sprinkling salt, and then I'm adding this chopped onion. I'm just letting my onions saute until lightly golden. Adding ginger garlic paste. Continue to cook over medium heat till the raw smell removed. Then I add this tomato puree. Today I'm using the canned one, but you can use freshly made tomato puree or finely chopped tomato as well. That smells good. And now I'm going to add this cumin powder, then this coriander powder, red chilli powder, and this turmeric powder. Add in about half cup of warm water, then give a mix. Add sugar and salt to taste. Now all I need to do is cover the pot with the lid and let the spice mixture cook over medium-low heat for about a couple of minutes or till the oil is releasing from this spice mixture. At this point, I'm going to add these frozen peas and stir in the mixture. You can use fresh peas as well. The only thing is that you need to cook the peas for the longer time. In this shallow bowl, I have paneer cut into the small cubes, and I'm going to add it right in there, giving a good mix, and then add warm water for the gravy. Let it cook over high heat. When the liquid starts bubbling up, reduce the heat to medium, cover with the lid again and let it simmer for a while. Okay, now add in this garam masala, Kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Just give it about a couple of minutes or so. Then turn off the heat and put the lid on again. So here is my Homestyle Matar Paneer is ready. I'm going to put it on my platter and scoop with the roti. If you serve the dish with the rice, then make the recipe a little runny or liquidy. It looks beautiful and tastes delicious. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try and do let me know what do you think about this recipe. Until next time, bye.